Thule's Tram hitch ski carrier is designed to attach to Thule's hitch-mounted bike racks and carry up to 6 pairs of skis or 4 snowboards or a combination of the two. The Tram has soft rubber clamps that securely hold and protect your skis and snowboards. The oversized clamp button allows for easy access, and Thule's one-key lock system locks your skis and snowboards to the ski carrier. The hitch ski carrier sits in the bike cradles, and it's attached using the rubber bike cradle straps and a clamp that secures the bottom of the tram to the mast of the bike rack. In the upcoming video, we'll demonstrate the different features pertaining to the Tram hitch ski carrier. The Thule Tram hitch ski carrier does require some assembly out of the box. Shown here are the parts pertaining to the hitch ski carrier, which include a left and right partially assembled frame, one bottom support bar, 2 upper support bars, and the hardware to mount and assemble the ski rack. When you're ready to assemble the ski carrier, loosely insert the bottom support bar into the frame, which will loosely hold the left and right frames together. Then insert both upper support bars into one side of the frame and repeat the process on the other side. When all of the support bars are attached, go through and apply pressure on the ends to make sure they are fully inserted, which will allow the bolt holes on the support bars to line up with the bolt holes on the frame. Then go through and fasten all of the Allen bolts and nuts to complete the assembly. With the ski hitch carrier fully assembled, now you're ready to install the Tram onto your Thule bike rack. Simply place the hitch ski carrier onto your bike rack with the upper cross tubes resting on 2 of the bike cradles closest to the vehicle. Your bike cradles might need to be adjusted forward or backwards so the cross tubes are aligned over the cradles. Depending on the style bike rack you have, the cross tubes closest to the vehicle may not rest down completely in the bottom center of the cradle. Once you have the cradles and the ski hitch carrier adjusted accordingly, tighten all 4 cradle straps over the cross tubes. To finish attaching the hitch ski carrier, you must attach the bottom support bar to the mast of the bike rack. The bottom support bar has a plastic bracket with a rubber protective face that rests up against the mast of the bike carrier and has 2 wider spaced holes in the middle of the plastic. Simply insert 2 Allen bolts through the holes and attach the metal bracket on the back side of the bike rack mast and evenly tighten the wing knobs until the hitch ski carrier is securely fastened. To load skis, simply push the oversized release button and swing open the top mounting arm. Slide the bottom of your skis between the foam pads and lean the top part of your skis against the top mounting arm. Your ski bindings will rest just above the top mounting arm, and to secure your skis, close the top mounting arm until you hear a click. Then insert the key and lock the cylinder, and now you're ready for a trip to the mountain. When loading a snowboard, repeat the same process. And this is Thule's 9033 Tram hitch ski carrier.